So you're having doubts about buying a home during an election year? Let's debunk that myth. All right, so Brian, what are the misconceptions about somebody buying a home during an election year?
Well, I mean, I think that sometimes, people will just kind of sit on their hands and say, you know what, I just want to wait to see what happens. I don't want to go and undertake, this investment here right now until I see what's going to happen with the election. One thing I'll tell you, as we look at things, one of the main concerns that come up are mortgage rates and the direction here of mortgage rates. And important to note right off the bat, one of the biggest misconceptions out there, the Fed does not control mortgage rates. When you hear the Fed fund cutting rates, most of the time that actually hurts mortgage rates when they go and cut rates. The Fed controls the overnight lending rate. Now the bond market controls mortgage rates. So bonds are known as a safety type asset. So as we're looking at this in election year, and we've seen it time over time, with the uncertainty coming up of who's going to be the next president here and new election coming into play, there's a lot of uncertainty there. Most of the time more money is going into bonds on that. So I mean, I see rates staying low. I see that we possibly could have even lower rates that are coming, as we get closer onto the election right now. We also, we're sitting in one of the hottest housing markets in the country right now, combined with record low rates right now. I certainly wouldn't let an election deter you. I think that you're going to be kicking yourself. I think you may see rates higher after the election, and you may see home prices higher.
Yeah, definitely. And that's holds true to this area. This is the second fastest growing area in the country with rates the way they are right now. Because 2 years ago, we were looking at everything in 5 to 6, as far as mortgage rates go, right? Now we're in the 3s. So everything that I've heard is they're either staying the same or going to drop a little bit. How about yourself? What are you hearing?
Yeah, it's really difficult to project here in the near term of what you're looking at, but I don't see a whole lot of volatility, maybe moving 0.25% to 0.5% in either direction that you're looking at. But certainly as we're getting into the summer months here and coming into an election and everything, we may be hitting for record lows, even lower than we've seen before. So certainly, if you're looking at buying a house, I don't see a better time at all than looking at it right now.
Yeah.
The growth that we have in our area of the country right now is going to continue to push on inventory levels and everything else on that, and these rates are extremely attractive right now.
Awesome. So Brian, how can people reach out to you when they're looking to get everything started, getting pre-qualified and all that? What can they do?
Easiest thing to do, and probably the easiest to remember here, is just give me a call or shoot me a text. My number is 512-785-3254. I'm with Nations Lending.
Awesome. All right, thank you guys, and remember, when you're getting ready to buy your home, give us a call at the Mulero Group, 512-351-1911. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Also, subscribe to this channel. Awesome. Take care, guys.